Stocks on Wall Street declined sharply Monday as nervous investors waited for more details about the massive economic rescue plan. Although major European and Asian markets recovered some of their losses from last week, Hong Kong analyst Francis Lun predicts markets will remain volatile for some time.
Because of the worry over the economy, the U.S. economy, and the cost of rescue, I don't think the market is ready for bull run just as yet.
Some of the uncertainty revolves around how quickly U.S. lawmakers will approve the $700 billion bailout plan outlined last week. Despite earlier bipartisan sentiment, Democrats are reluctant to give the U.S. Treasury complete authority without concessions. Congressman Barney Frank says one proposal includes limiting the pay for executives of companies receiving bailouts.
We want to limit those as a condition for giving them the aid. If the Secretary would agree to that, we could move quickly. But if he insists that that's somehow a terrible thing, then it slows it down a little bit.
Senate Democrats say the bailout should also help homeowners now facing foreclosure. But the White House says there's no time for delay. Treasury Secretary Henry Paulson says the government needs to buy up mortgage-related debt quickly so banks can start lending again.
What we are recommending is that the government buy illiquid assets in big size from the institutions. These are what are clogging up the system.
Without a bailout, Paulson warns the U.S. economy could collapse. But Republican Congressman Richard Shays says a rescue plan this big needs to be well thought out.
We're doing it for our taxpayers. We're not doing it for the company executives or even the stockholders.
Including earlier bailouts to mortgage lenders Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and insurance giant AIG, the combined price will cost taxpayers more than $1 trillion. Economist Chris Thornburg says someone has to be accountable.
They're not holding those who are at the center of this thing responsible for it, even though the taxpayer is being handed the bill.
Market observers expect more details of the bailout to emerge this week. Arcega, VOA News.